Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Anivasa. For my next 7 video, I be want explain cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and blockchain, because I know say many people know to understand them at all. So for this video, we will talk about cryptocurrency, and for our next video, we will talk about the technology, the sense wey they take do this cryptocurrency, wey them they call blockchain. So make sure you subscribe so that you go to follow all these videos wey we go do, so that you go understand everything. Now, before we talk cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, we suppose talk about wetin be money. Because if you don't know wetin be money, how you go take know how cryptocurrency like Bitcoin take be money? Money na anything wey all of us agree say we fit dey use buy something for our hand. We fit dey use exchange something. Say make I give you garri, make you take this paper, or make you take this gold, make you take this bets, or make you take these calories. So money na anything wey all of us agree say we fit dey use exchange things wey we wan buy. So anything wey go be money na anything wey person no go easily find for just anywhere, na something wey e go hard make you see. You get? So now the reason why be say our forefathers, our grandfathers, na cowries they use as money, gold, na beads, silver, na wetin they use as money for olden days be that, because they know say now no be something you fit just dey waka go find. E hard. So anything wey go be money na something wey go scarce. Nowadays na paper money wey government make we dey use, because we trust say na only government fit make am, because we trust say no be something wey anybody fit just go print, because if na so, the thing no go get value. We trust say if we go market say we wan buy something, they go give us something and we go give them the paper. We trust say if we give our friend, dem go collect am. We trust say if we wan buy anything for anywhere, dem go give us. We trust say even if we wan use our money buy another country money, like say dollar, exchange am for dollar, dem go collect us. So na the reason we fit call this one money be that, because we trust am and we know am. So how all this thing take concern cryptocurrency and Bitcoin? Currency means money. So cryptocurrency, you fit dey call am crypto money. Crypto money na any type of money wey just be number for inside computer and for inside internet. No be the kind money wey you fit hold like paper money, like naira. Bitcoin na example of crypto money. The way naira take be example of paper money, na so Bitcoin take be example of crypto money. No be only Bitcoin be the example of crypto money wey we get. Dem plenty. We get Dogecoin, Binance Coin, we get Troll, we get Stutter. Dem plenty. They reach 400. Remember that time wey be say if you wan know wetin dey happen, na to go buy newspaper, or make you go listen to am for radio, or make you go watch am for TV. Remember that time wey be say if children wan read, or if they wan do them assignment, na to go borrow book for inside library. Then internet come change everything, come make everything everywhere, come put everything for inside internet, come make everything say we fit use am. Any if you wan get am, you fit get am fast. So na internet come make say if anything dey happen today and NTA no wan tell us, we go still know. Now today, whether library open or e no open, if children wan do them assignment, na to just carry their phone, browse the book wey dem need, or look the video wey go teach them the thing, dem go learn am. So they no need say make dem dey go library again, because the book dey internet. So internet come remove anything wey dey in between us and anything we wan see, and anything wey dey in between us and anything we wan talk, internet come remove am. So na wetin cryptocurrency like Bitcoin dey do be that. Dem dey remove bank, Then they remove government. If they remove everything wey dey in between you and your money. So bank no fit charge you for anything, they no fit charge you for card, they no fit charge you for transaction fee, maintenance fee, they no fit charge you. So government no fit freeze am, they no fit track you, they no fit follow you. So na you and your money, na you dey control am. Now you fit use crypto money change am to naira, you fit change naira to crypto money, any crypto money. You fit change crypto money into another crypto money. The way you fit use naira buy dollar, use dollar buy naira, na so e be also. You fit change anyhow because na money. So for my next video, I be wan talk about the technology, the sense wey they dey use do this crypto money. The technology they call am blockchain. Na wetin I wan explain be that. So make you like and make you subscribe for this channel so that when we drop the next one you go see am, because na 7 video we wan drop for this issue of cryptocurrency wey everybody no know about, and na for pidgin we go do am. So this video I no dey do am say make you go invest for cryptocurrency, no be so. If you dey here you can't understand am, if you like you fit go do your own thing. If you no like, you go know am for the sake of say make you no dey look like pomo the next time wey people dey talk about cryptocurrency, for the sake of knowledge. Don't forget to drop your advice at the comment section or any question wey you get about this issue wey we dey talk now. Thank you.